What's going on YouTube? We got the mighty X-MAXX on the table finally, and it is officially taking over the rebuild. Look at this at our cush driving here. It's seen better days. It flops all over the place. So we got a full cush drive rebuild here, rebuilding the whole cush drive. We got new pins, we got new gears for the center differential from VITAVON. We got the hinge pin holders that hold the hinge pins on the arms in here. We got the aluminum plates from VITAVON for that, and we got them badass center drive shaft from VITAVON for this bad boy, where we won't be bending those center drive shafts no more. And other than that, guys, we're gonna get this X-MAXX back together. You know, it's already got tons of upgrades on it. We're gonna get this bad boy back out and have us a beast we can beat on again, hopefully. Let's get to it, guys. As you can see with the old ones, it's got two little metal brackets in here that hold the hinge pins and the arms. On the new style, and it's got a black cover, the new style, it's all built right into the one. It's got the hinge pin holders and everything else built right into this bad boy. So all you're gonna do is drop it back in place, run your one screw back in, pop these back on, run your hinge pins back through, and bam, look at that. Let's get it back together, I'll show you. All right, you guys, there it is. She's in there. It spins stuff. It makes wheels spin. Just to help y'all out, if you get this, make sure you get the one that's for the stock chassis, because it makes one for the aluminum chassis too. But in the front, the little black piece I showed you is going to connect the two in the front. In the rear, you do have to pull this out, and your drive shaft will connect the two together. Now this has to come out when you pull your center drive shaft off the old one out, and then the little black coupler piece that's like this that comes with the kit goes in the front one. Put that one in there, couple the two together, put this one, take the back coupler out of there, and they slide right together, and you have drive shaft action. And you see we got the tie bars in underneath there. The bad boys are in front and rear, holding them together now. So all we gotta do is slap some stuff back together. And Arma skins, guys, look at how badass that is. The rest of the face is on the skid plate, but you got the gist of it. And I got a question. I got the 1250 kV stock motor in here now, and I got 1100 kV hobby weight at home. Should I put the 1100 back in here or not, or run with this one? But that's them upgrades there, guys. Next on, we're going to move and get the center differential out of this thing and put the gears on it. These gears go, this gear here goes right here on the new setup when we put all the new together, but this one we gotta get the center differential out to get that bad boy in there, so let's do that. All right, you guys, there's the center differential gear, which is here. I know some people think that's the center's not, that's the rear. Your center diff's in here. Look at that, number 45 VITAVON 1.5 mod gears on there. Compared to the smaller teeth on there, we got the big boy teeth now. Look at that. So that gear's out, that gear's in, VITAVON center drive shaft's in. Button her back together, boys and girls, and we'll show you when we got this beast back together. We got a little bit of work here. Well, boys and girls, that's going to do it for this video. All I got to do is slap the skid cover back on there, slap whatever ESC I'm putting in here. Next time you see this baby, she'll be out ripping, hitting jumps, and tearing shit up. We'll see you on the next one. You ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out.